cho em đến lấy điểm IELTS.
Dạ em cho chị xin chứng minh thư.
Vâng.
Tùng ký nhận.
Vâng, chị đưa cái gì em cũng ký mà.
Ôi chị ơi, chúng em thực sự là 9.0 à chị?
Ôi, mãn luôn.
I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Đặng Tùng, currently an IELTS teacher. At the tender age of 24, I achieved the perfect score in the IELTS test, a 9.0. However, I feel like the journey leading up to this achievement is far more interesting. So allow me to share with you this journey. Let's rewind a little bit. When I was in high school, I loved English. But what I loved even more was playing the guitar. I had a band, and like most high school bands, we thought we were musical geniuses, that we were gonna hit the mainstream, and we were gonna make a fortune with our music. Or maybe it was just me who thought so. As our graduation neared, we went our own way and focused on a humbler but perhaps more realistic career plan. College. Getting admitted to a university in Vietnam is hard. For me, it was harder because I wanted to attend an international university that required an IELTS score, 6.5 to be exact. With my work cut out for me, I leapt into action. Now, I knew I was good in English, but just like with music, what if I wasn't that good? Fortunately, I was good enough. When I got the test results, I couldn't believe my eyes. It was more than what I could ever hope for, certainly enough to afford me admission to the school I wanted to go. I had a pretty normal college life. I went to class, I had friends, I even had a girlfriend. Relationships are great, but they, like most things in life, need to be financed. I didn't want to go Dutch with a girlfriend all the time, but my trifling allowances prevented me from being chivalrous. I needed money. I needed a job. So I decided to put my IELTS score to good use and became a tutor. Tutoring was great. I was able to make some decent cash. Plus, I got to help so many people speak and write better English and show them the beauty of the language. That sounds very noble, but after I graduated, I had to part with tutoring in search of a more quote-unquote legitimate profession. Armed with an economics and finance degree, I started working as a stockbroker. Stockbrokerage sounds very fancy, but if you don't have what it takes, you'll be miserable. I was always under an enormous amount of stress, and my illusions of what a lucrative income I'd make were completely shattered. At the end of the month, after bills were paid, I didn't have much to spare. I was able to temporarily forget about my financial worries when I got married to the love of my life. But if anything, that meant more financial pressure was piling up. However, things took an unexpected turn on my 24th birthday. Some of the students that I tutored in college came by for a surprise party. As we reminisced about the lessons and the fond memories we'd had, I was reminded of how incredible it felt to teach, and it became crystal clear to me what I was meant to do. I decided to quit my job at the stock firm and go back into teaching full-time. Now this time I swore I would do it justice. For me, that meant reaching the pinnacle of the IELTS test, the ever-elusive 9.0. I needed this validation for myself, to know that I was meant to do it. The rest, as they say, is history. After I scored a 9.0 on the IELTS test, a lot more people knew about me, and my class grew beyond my wildest dreams. I set up my own training center, the IELTS Workshop, and along the way I've been very fortunate to have found colleagues that share my vision and passion. And that's the story of how the IELTS changed my life. What about you? What's your story?